How are you all doing? Greetings from our channel again. We are pitting two worlds of gear against one another today. Finding the greatest everyday carry is something we love to do, but what if you're on a tight budget? What would happen if you had $1,000 to spend? Today, we're comparing the most amazing top-tier equipment, which costs $1,000, with 10 EDC things that just cost $1. Among other things, we have wallets, multi-tools, knives, and flashlights. This is the final EDC showdown between $1 and $1,000. Stay put. You'll be amazed at what you can obtain for very little money and the impact that $1,000 has. Let's get started. Meet the Gracious EDC Multifunction Tool, a titanium alloy EDC multifunction tool that combines 4 functions in one. Designed for convenience and durability, it combines an unpacking knife, screwdriver, M8 board handle, and more into one sleek design. Crafted from titanium alloy with a steel blade, it offers exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight portability. Perfect as an outdoor multifunction tool, it handles everything from opening express cartons to quick household fixes. Its rotatable multi-purpose screwdriver ensures versatility, while the elegant metal finish makes it both practical and stylish. Whether at home or on an adventure, this compact tool is your reliable partner. Introducing the BIG Idea Design Titanium Pocket Tool, a 10-in-1 multi-tool crafted from solid grade 5 titanium. Compact at just 3 inch, it's TSA approved and travel friendly, making it perfect for daily carry. Features include a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, wide flathead screwdriver, 1/4 inch hex bit opening, measurement cues, mini pry bar, scraper edge, stainless steel insert with dual function, 550 paracord lanyard keyring opening, and compatibility with standard utility razor blades. Durable yet lightweight, this versatile tool ensures you're prepared for quick fixes, outdoor tasks, and everyday EDC needs anywhere. The TSR Titanium Drive Safe keychain is more than an accessory. It's a heartfelt keepsake engraved with "Drive Safe. I need you here with me." Crafted from top-grade titanium alloy, this heavy-duty keychain features high-quality laser engraving that never fades with a smooth surface and rounded edges for comfort. Its multifunctional design includes a bottle opener, hexagon wrench, and keyring hole, blending durability with sentiment. Perfect as a birthday gift, Valentine's Day gift, or pendant necklace. It reminds your loved one to stay safe while adding everyday utility. Meet the Turret Flat EDC Flashlight, a compact and lightweight tool designed to slide effortlessly into your pocket without bulk. Delivering up to 1,000 lumens, this rechargeable flashlight with a red beam and UV light offers versatile illumination for any situation. Its magnetic base and two-way pocket clip enable hands-free convenience, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort. With IP65 waterproofing, it withstands rain, and the memory function lets you quickly access your preferred mode. Perfect as an LED flashlight for everyday carry, emergencies, or spotting hidden stains, this is your ultimate pocket-ready companion. Introducing the Dexter magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a full-body protective cover built for durability and convenience. With 2 front frames, including a built-in screen protector, it shields against scratches, spills, and dust. The rugged bumper, shockproof design, and military-era protection ensure your device stays safe from drops and bumps, while the anti-slip grip adds extra security. Featuring MagSafe compatibility with 36 pieces of strong and 52 magnets, it supports wireless charging and magnetic mounts effortlessly. The versatile kickstand adjusts to a 65 degrees angle for stable viewing. With precise cutouts, this case is perfect for work, travel, or adventure. The Frontier Chest Strap is a wearable heart rate monitor designed for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and health-conscious users. It provides continuous heart rate monitoring, breathing rate, and strain tracking even during sleep and recovery. Equipped with real-time vibration alerts, it keeps you in optimal training zones to prevent overexertion or undertraining. Sync via Bluetooth 5.0 with iOS and Android devices, Apple Watch, Garmin, Peloton, Zwift, and more. Its athlete-ready waterproof elastic strap ensures a secure fit during 20-plus fitness activities, including running, cycling, swimming, and gym workouts, delivering pro-level accuracy and detailed analytics for smarter training.